Hey, good day everyone. Here's all the parts for this shed. Came in the box. Got them all laid out. Just pulled everything out of the box. All right, I got piece 1 and 2, 3 and 4. If you'll notice, I have the corners lined up. That's how the directions show it. Right there, that little angle piece. I'm gonna take my piece 5s here, 4 of them. I'm just placing these piece 5s right here. This is gonna go right there too. Now I'm gonna take my A fasteners and screw them all in. All right, got those installed. Next, we're gonna flip both doors over and install these. We're gonna install these, but we're gonna keep these in the bag. Now, these 3 hinges are all gonna go on using these B fasteners. And you'll notice too with these hinges here, there's 6 holes, and you just line that up. This one's gonna go like that, and these ones are gonna go like that. All right, hinges are installed. So now we're kind of getting everything oriented correctly. So I faced them this way. See, there's a hole up here and a hole down there. That's how you want to do it. And then on the right side, hole there, hole there. And each one of these blocks here is going to get a wooden dowel in it. Okay, first one here, piece 6. We're going to put the wooden dowel right in here. And then this is just going to go just like that, right on there. It's going to overlap just a little bit. Then we'll put our fasteners D all through here. The same thing with the bottom here. Now we'll do the same thing over here with those 2. Okay, we're going to put these 2 pieces together with these fasteners right there. Now we're going to go ahead and install block 7 here with fasteners D, those D screws. So they're just going to go just like this on here. Okay, now I just took it and flipped it over. Okay, now we're assembling these pieces. This piece is piece 11, then it goes 12, 13, 13, 14. Okay, we'll take our other piece 11 and put it right on the other side there and fasten them all in with fasteners D, just like that side. Okay, now we'll take piece 15 and fasten it to piece 17 right in the top piece here. This piece here is going to sit flush with the back of that there. So I'm going to sink a screw there, there, and right there, and that part hangs over just like that. Okay, now I've got piece 16 and 18 there. I'm going to go ahead and sink it in with the D fasteners there. You can see that's how that sits, and then that's going to sit flush. Now piece 19 and 21, same thing, screw, screw, screw. Now we have piece 22 and 20. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that's flush there, right there. Put a D screw in there and there. Next step, we're going to take this, flip it up on its side, and install that right there. It's going to go through those 2 holes there. And we're going to use these fasteners right here. Just drive them right down through the top. Put the nuts on the bottom, right through those holes. Now we just kind of set piece 18 and piece 22 assembly right on there. And we'll take 2 G fasteners per side, so a total of 4. So we're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 down there to secure these sides. Now we just slip those G fasteners right through here and here, and they go all the way through that hole right there. Same thing with up above. I'll do the same thing for this side. Now we get our 2 piece 24s laid out side by side. Now we'll take our piece 23s. One's going to go down there, and one's going to go right up there. We're going to install them with our A fasteners here. Now we'll connect piece 25 to 25 with piece 23 and 23 using those A fasteners again. Okay, now we're going to put that in the back, and then we'll put our H fasteners here, here, and here, and here. Okay, now we'll take piece 17 here. That just goes right up here like that. I'm going to put a D screw right through here. Now piece 24 is going to go right above this. And we'll put 4 H fasteners in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we put another H fastener right here to tie it all in. Okay, now we're going to put on the L brackets with fasteners K. So we're going to put One here, here, and here. Now we're going to fasten piece 26 and 27 together using these eye fasteners. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and take piece 28 here, and this thing actually is longer than it looks in the directions. The directions make it look like a short piece, but we're going to go ahead and put 4 of these A fasteners. We're going to put this on. Have those 2 holes facing you. See how this goes? It's going to sit right up there like that. And you want to make sure it's flush right here. Now we go ahead and install it right in here. Right here, so it's going to go like that. And then see, that side's going to go right in here too. Now we'll put our D fastener right here. All right, I got piece 29 and 30. I'm going to put them together right there with fasteners G. Now we're going to take and flip that over and remove the plastic. Now we're going to take piece 31 here and slide it right over that, and we'll screw it in with the eye fasteners. And I went ahead and put that on the roof there. Went and put the roof on, I should say. And we're going to go ahead and secure the roof here with the F fastener. And right up in here, there's a spot for these 2 L screws right up here. Those are my 2 L fasteners went right there, and it goes through here and secures it to the roof. All right, we got 32 and 33. We're going to put those in with fasteners J here, and they're just going to go right across here. And these 2 holes right there, those are going to line up. We're going to put our fasteners through here. That piece is going to come right across here. Right there. Now we're going to put the doors on. We're going to use these K fasteners here. There's this piece that comes with it down here. That way it keeps the door level. The hinges go on the outside, and you can see right here, it lines up with the hole. So really easy. Just set it right on here, just like that. We'll do the same thing for both sides. They're just gonna go right up above here like that. We're gonna use these little K fasteners to put them on. Same thing here, we'll put one right here, and we'll put 2 here. Overall, very happy with this shed. It only took me a couple hours to put it together, but it was well worth it. And I hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching, everybody.